Hey, it's me, Chris from RRG again. In today's budget builds video, I would like to show you how to etch your own, how to make your own etchings in metal using only a bit of salt water and a battery. So, what do we need? We need an 8 or 9 volt battery. We need Q-tips. We need those things. I think they are called crocodile clamps in English. Yeah, I think it's crocodile clamps. We need a few pieces of metal just to show what we are doing. These are just simple parts. It's steel. We will need gloves and we will need a mask and a bit of salt water. You will need the mask though, it's very important this time, because when you etch metal with salt water and electricity, you will create chlorine gas, and chlorine gas is fucking bad. So if my voice sounds a bit muffled, it's because I'm wearing a mask right now. So the first thing you need to do is to prepare your metal. You will need to have it to wash it down with rubbing alcohol. I already did this. So we take the piece of metal, like let's say this one I already started. Take some masking tape. You can also take whatever you like. I read you can take nail polish or anything that seals the surface, most likely. And I will do it on this one to show you later. I just do a little square. And I also prepared one, which is it's a nuclear explosion, and it's totally not what it looks like. It's a Thor's hammer. It's totally not a dick, because I'm an adult and I wouldn't do such thing. It's a dick. It's a dick. Okay, so you take your battery. I made this handy dandy fucking focus. I made this handy dandy thing here. This pointy, what the fuck is file called? I made this so I can see where to put stuff. And you clamp one part of your crocodile clamps on your positive node. This is the part that actually goes onto the workpiece. Yep, like this. So it touches the metal. Then you will take your salt water. It's a salt water solution I already prepared. Yep, just put it in here. Take one of your Q-tips, like this, and add it to the other crocodile clamp, right about here. And add this part to the negative side of your battery. The negative diode node, the negative thingy. So now when we add this to here, it should work. Yeah, you can already see it working if you go like this. It should start to sizzle a bit. Don't breathe it in. Work in a well ventilated room. And then you will start etching the metal. I don't think you can hear the sizzling on the camera, but I can hear the sizzling. Wait, let me just add this piece of paper right here, so maybe the camera can focus better. I'll do it like this. Ah, yeah, there you can see it, that it's starting to etch already. And now we'll fast forward through what I'm doing right now. So I also made this workpiece so I can show you the results of the etching in the end. Oh, fuck. I will only do half of the area in the middle so you can see how the staining process works. The etching process, I mean. As you can see on the piece I created to show you how the etching process works. I don't know if it picks this up, but you can see where I stamped it with the Q-tips all the time. But you can clearly see that I etched this piece of metal. Now let's go on to this wonderful thing, which is a Thor's hammer. And totally not what it looks like. So if I remove all the masking tape, Now you can see that this has been etched into it. I don't know if you can hear it, but if the camera picks this up, there's clearly it's clearly etched into it. For some reason I didn't clean the metal enough, so here's a bit where it's not that etched into it. But that's basically, for fuck's sake, that's basically how you can etch your own stuff into metal using only a battery, a few Q-tips, and salt water. Thanks, that's about it. Have a good day. See you in another video. A dick. It's a dick.